In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twitter with Make.com in this 2025 full tutorial. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly connect Twitter with your Make.com account, allowing you to automate tasks and streamline your workflows with ease. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Make website. You can find it easily by searching for Make automation software on any search engine. Once you arrive on the home page, you'll notice a straightforward layout designed to guide you through setting up various automation scenarios. Next, we want to dive into your account. Look for the Sign In button at the upper right-hand corner of the page and click on it. If you're not yet a member, take a second to sign up. It's a quick process and will grant you access to all the features we need for this integration. Now that you're in, head to the Make home. This is your central hub where you'll find all your created scenarios and other essential tools. Once you're at the Make home, your task is to set up a new scenario. By creating a new scenario, you are essentially building a custom automation pathway where different apps and services can communicate with each other seamlessly. Click on New Scenario. This will take you to a setup page where you can start piecing together your automation. To proceed, click on Add. This button is crucial as it allows you to choose and add the specific apps you're looking to connect. In the following step, we need to identify and select the appropriate integrations. Enter X Twitter into the search bar. Searching this term will yield various Twitter-related options that make the integration process flexible and comprehensive. From the list of results, locate @tweetapi.com. Clicking on this option will open up a new interface, providing you with the ability to configure the details of your integration. Make sure to explore the configuration options, as this will determine the effectiveness of your automation when it comes to handling Twitter activities directly through Make.com. Once you've completed your setup, review all configurations thoroughly. This practice ensures that your integrations will run smoothly and according to your plans. It's a good idea to double-check every setting so that any potential issues are ironed out before you begin using your newly integrated automation. Congratulations! You've successfully linked Twitter to Make.com. Take your time to explore additional automation possibilities and consider how other integrations could further optimize your daily operations. With this newfound capability, managing tasks and workflows that involve Twitter becomes intuitive, providing you with more time and focus for strategic endeavors. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to leave a comment or reach out with any questions you might have. Happy automating!